White House Laboratories is an analytical laboratory that tests against USP-NF, EP, FCC, and JP compendial methods for raw materials used in pharmaceuticals and personal care products. Our highly experienced team offers an average of 10 years experience per employee. We offer chemistry-based analysis for raw materials that are excipients and active APIs. A support laboratory is basically a lab for our clients who don't have the capacity to do the testing internally, or their own internal labs just don't have the manpower or the instrumentation needed to perform the testing. We offer the experience and knowledge for our clients to do the testing and perform the testing, and we service anybody regulated by the FDA. So companies that deal with pharmaceuticals, that deal with generic or brand name products, cosmetics, food products, over-the-counter products, anybody regulated by the FDA essentially. Total Organic Analysis is a new service that we're offering to our clients, and it tests your water samples. It's typically a non-specific indicator for your manufacturing lines and the water that's running through your lines, checking to see how clean your water is prior to manufacturing. The FDA has issued new guidelines regarding gas testing, so now the FDA is forcing pharmaceutical companies to test their gas lines, whether it be nitrogen, compressed air, or oxygen, anything that's running through their manufacturing lines. There are new guidelines in which companies have to test those different ports. White House Laboratories has developed a method in line with the USP monograph for nitrogen, which allows us to detect oxygen and nitrogen as low as 100 ppm versus what the monograph states of 10,000 ppm. We offer our clients on-site sampling of their different ports, and we go to their facilities. In the event that the client chooses not for us to go to their facility, we can send our cylinders to them and they do the sampling and send the cylinders back to us for the analysis.